Hello everyone, in this video we'll be seeing about Java keywords, so let's begin. Keywords. They are also known as reserved words and they are predefined by Java and perform a specific action when used. There are about 50 keywords in Java and they are listed below. Now let us look into them. Abstract, case, char, double, enum, for, implements, long, static, this, assert, catch, class, else, extends, if, import, native, strict FP, throw, boolean, new, continue, package, final, protected, instance of, short, super, throws, break, null, default, private, finally, public, int, return, switch, transient, byte, try, do, void, float, volatile, interface, while, synchronized, and finally we have goto. With that, we have come to the end of this video. Stay tuned for the upcoming video. Until then, signing off. Thank you all for watching.